Welcome guys to C# programming for beginner class. It's my third video. In this video I will cover C# environment. So for C# environment, C# code execution, we need the .NET framework. The .NET framework is runtime environment for C# execution, C# code execution. If you are Microsoft operating system user, you don't need to install .NET framework because as we told, that C# is developed by Microsoft, and Microsoft Windows is also product of Microsoft. So Microsoft Windows is pre-installed C#, pre-installed .NET framework, and we can but we need to update the .NET framework. But if you are the Mac or Linux user, you need to install the .NET framework for C# code execution. So for writing our C# code, we need code editor or IDE. So we can write our code in Visual Studio Code, Sublime, Notepad, or many more. You can search in the internet, you can find a lot of code editors, IDEs for C# code writing. So C#, I will use the Visual Studio because it's the official IDE, is official code editor for C#, and it's also developed by Microsoft. It came up with free version and paid version. A paid version has the advanced feature, so I recommend you to search in the internet for Visual Studio and install the Visual Studio. So I will show you how we can update our .NET framework in the Windows. So come to the start menu and search for the control. Go to control panel and find the programming feature, and then click on turn on Windows feature on and off. Click on this, and you can see the here .NET framework 4.8 advanced service. You can click this and then OK, and then the download will start, and till the download end you will wait for that. So and for Microsoft Visual Studio, you can go to this link and download the application, download Visual Studio. It's a free version for Windows, community version, professional version, and an enterprise version. You should install the community version because it's free, and we will go along with the Visual Studio application to write our code. So that's enough for this video. See you in next video.